In this video, we will install Android Studio for our Mac. First, we need to go on flutter.dev. And inside this website, we will scroll down until we find the Android Studio section. So if you scroll, you will find it eventually, Android Setup. You will download and install Android. Good. So now we are on the website developer.android.com. We will download Android Studio. And I will say, I will agree the terms and I will download it. If you have the Android version of Mac M1 chip, then you can download the M1 chip. Right now I have a Mac with the Intel chip. Good, so this has been downloaded. I will click on it and I will click on the download that we just did. The download may take like 5 minutes maybe. I will just fast forward things. Then you will take Android Studio and you will drag and drop inside the application folder. Good, so this is copying Android Studio in our applications. You will see it is right there. Next, I will close this window. I will close also the internet and I will double click on Android Studio. So it is opening and then we will say this is from the internet, we will say open. This will open Android Studio. We can quit the folder and let's go. This one will say OK, so we will not import configuration. We will do it from scratch. So Android Studio is still loading. Next, the data sharing, I will say no. And for this page welcome, I will say next. And then you have the choice, standard or custom. I will use standard. And then I will use the dark mode. I will say next. And I will finish the installation. So this is downloading all the components for Android Studio. I will fast forward. And then this might ask you your password for your computer. I will enter my password and I will say OK. So as you can see, I have the Intel chip. But if you have the M1, you should download with the M1 if you have the possibility. I will say OK. So it is currently creating and I will just say finish. Next, we need to go on configure and preferences. Inside this one, we will go on plugins and we will go in the search bar to write Flutter. We need to install the Flutter plugin. We will find the first one and then I will click on install. I will accept the condition. The second pop-up was to install Dart also. So I installed Dart. And now it's asking to restart the IDE because we have installed Flutter and Dart. So I will restart it. We have successfully installed Android Studio and we have added the plugin Flutter and the plugin Dart. On the next video, we will use the emulator of Android Studio. See you in the next one.